Welcome to our tutorial on how to send multiple videos on WhatsApp web group using your PC with the latest update. Let's dive into the steps to make sharing videos a breeze. To begin, open WhatsApp web on your PC by scanning the QR code on the screen with your mobile device. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific group where you want to share multiple videos. Simply click on the group chat to open it. Next, within the chat window, look for the attachment icon represented by a plus sign. Click on this icon and select the option to add photos and videos. This will open up your File Explorer where you can choose the videos you wish to share. Select the desired videos and click Open to add them to your message. After you have selected all the videos you want to share, it's time to send them. Click on the Send button, and your chosen videos will be shared with the group members instantly. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly share multiple videos on your WhatsApp web group, making your conversations more engaging and interactive. Keep your group members connected and entertained with the latest updates and memorable moments. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Start sharing multiple videos on WhatsApp web group today and enhance your group communication experience.